we're going for the big adventure. Yeah, please, I am in the big adventure. Here's what's going on. Yeah, I'm in the adventure, but I think many people, here is our playground, bruh. I play the adventure. Yeah.
Just riding a motorbike.
Yeah, we're going for the biggest adventure, bruh. Yeah, we're adventuring.
You mean 7-Eleven?
Yeah, I think we're going to 7-Eleven.
Why do we?
Yes.
Why do we go?
Yes. I think I wish to. Yeah. How about I go there for 20 minutes? Yeah.
Now,
Look for some of my favorite
just
drinks.
drink water.
Yeah.
Water is enough.
Yes.
Okay, I will make some
adventure.
strawberry juice.
Yes. I like strawberry juices.
Yeah.
So, what do you wish? You like my adventure videos?
What happened? What
And
happened?
you want to adventure with me too? Adventuring means let's go to the trash, or maybe let's look for old phones in the trash. Meaning we'll restore them. So we need to hire somebody else to restore it and try restoring with me. Yeah, you know. That's too bad. It just literally flipped my bike, bruh. Yeah, it's a motorcycle, bruh. Let's go here and see what's inside here. Yeah, this is a big undertill places, bruh. Wanna see something? Yeah, my video is already 135 megabytes. 135 million people, I mean that means. Yeah, let's go. My uncle is gonna lie, bruh. I'm gonna go the adventure. I'm just trying to see this entire background. We're running on a big adventure here. Yeah, we can turn here, bruh. We can turn. Bruh, this is too good. Our adventure points are 175 billion. Yeah, it becomes have 181 million. It passes 184 million. It reaches 100. Yeah, that's too smelly, bruh. It seems that here is a flower, bruh.
Yes.
It seems too acidic.